And I think that as we've seen with other open source models, like both Qwen and Gemma, Qwen from Alibaba and Gemma from Google, there's a whole ecosystem that's bubbling up, built, on taking those base models and teaching them new tricks. That's what open source does. That's what open weight does. Innovation is what it creates for us.
This is the Jurassic Park principle. Life finds a way. Life always finds a way. Innovation always finds a way, especially when things are locked down, restricted. Now, with models, with infrastructure, anytime we have severe limits on something, that pushes everyone who wants that can't afford to get it, it's not available to get it, not willing to sign the EULA, whatever it is, finds a different way. Open source, getting a model from someone else, having a layer that now disaggregates what that is to they can do what they want with it. That's the innovation world we live in. So in a way, you predict your own future, your own commoditization by being super restrictive. Even Disney can't control people using Disney characters. How many things do you see on whatever social media? For a while they could, but it's just not possible anymore.
Fan fiction.
Yeah, exactly. Great example.
I did not know this, but the book and film 50 Shades of Grey was based on somebody who wanted to write fan fiction for Twilight.
Really?
Yes, yes,
That's
that
a
is
hard left. Okay.
knowledge that I did not need, but now I have somehow, and now everyone here as well too has it now too. You're welcome.
I had no idea that's what it was really about, but okay.
It all makes
That's
sense
funny.
when you think about it.
Someone asked me, a vendor asked me, it's been about a month ago, said, when do you think the wave of locally run models is going to happen? Is there going to be a wave? Is this really going to take off? I'm like, sir, that's already happened. It's happening in the developer world all the time. We're running our own models all the time. Guess what? Those get deployed in production. If we have the environment where we can run them, that'll move into production that way. There's cost. There's a lot of other reasons, tuning, using it yourself.
Performance.
Yes, you may sign up for a frontier model company that's your primary or multiple, but you're gonna have other alternatives. And certainly developers are going to bring it in through the back door and push it up the stack.
I think it's a front door these days. I think that we have already seen, and one of the reasons why Anthropic in particular, but others, silently really hate this idea of open models at that scale and that capability level, because what they show is what we all know to be the case, that right now the tokenomics reality that we're inhabiting does not favor the customer. And I think that because of that, and because a lot of companies are waking up to the fact that they have overspent on their tokens for the last year or so without enough controls and observability and ownership, that they're cracking down on that. And if you have, a Qwen 3.6 that can do coding tasks that is on par with what you're getting out of like a Claude Sonnet, let's say, priced model, but it's, a third of that cost, you're going to use it.
Yep. Life will find a way.
Cost control will find a way.
Yep. Constraints love to be moved. We love to move, for sure.
Yeah. Like I say many times, the pendulum of optimization only swings in one direction. We're never trying to build software that's less efficient, less useful.
Very true.